SourceTree is a powerful Git client for Windows and Mac OS that simplifies the process of managing repositories and interacting with Git, including repositories hosted on GitHub. Here's how to use SourceTree with GitHub. Install SourceTree. Download and install SourceTree from the official website. Connect SourceTree with GitHub. Open SourceTree and go to Preferences, Accounts. Click Add Account and select GitHub from the list of services. Enter your GitHub credentials or sign in using OAuth. Clone a repository from GitHub. In SourceTree, click Clone Repository or Open Existing Repository. Choose GitHub as the source and enter the repository URL. SourceTree will clone the repository to your local machine. Manage local changes. After cloning the repository, you can make changes directly in SourceTree, such as committing changes, staging files for commits, reviewing changes with diffs, commit and push changes. Once changes are made and staged, commit them by providing a commit message. Click Push to upload changes back to the GitHub repository. Pull changes. To pull updates from GitHub, click Pull. SourceTree will fetch the latest changes from the remote repository and merge them into your local branch. View repository history. Use the History tab in SourceTree to view past commits, branches, and file changes for your GitHub repository. Use features. SourceTree supports advanced features such as managing branches, resolving merge conflicts, creating pull requests directly from the interface.